Story time. Today, I went to Computer Village to buy the Apple AirPods I've been craving for. I already bought it, but on my way back, this motherfucker here was forming familiarity. And because I have heard so much about these motherfuckers, I had to double check my phone and be sure it was still there. In my mind, I said, this one think you have seen Bolo or mommy that does not know what's up. As I crossed like this, the AirPods I just bought started stammering. Next thing I heard was,
the Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Nibo, it is AirPods I bought now. Well, that is not even the case for now. As I brought out my phone to see what is happening, it is a plank of wood I saw. So this is what happened. When this motherfucker was caressing me, he has replaced my phone with a Paco. And I was there double checking nonsense. Now it has dawned on me and I am on my way to fuck that motherfucker up. And as I got to the spot where the whole shit happened, I couldn't find the motherfucker. I even asked people around if they saw one guy, we go there. But they told me that he has gone. Pata pata. Wọ́n ti gbé mi lọ́dí camp. Ayé mi tẹ̀lé bá mi. Owó elépo, owó aláta, owó onírú, gbogbo owó DM for promo.